It is still PEMDAS. I still did parentheses. There weren't any exponents. So, but PEMDAS, the multiplication and division are the same thing. So you just go left to right. Division is the same thing as multiplying by a fraction, or multiplying by the reciprocal, right? Division of fractions, we just said it's keep, change, flip, blah, blah, blah. All of that, right? So it's still PEMDAS. But what you would do is when you get to this point, so everybody agrees that this is 5, right? Totally. Okay. So now when you get to this part here, you would go left to right because this is division, this is multiplication, so we go left to right, okay? Now by adding that 2 plus 3, I did technically get rid of the parentheses. I can get rid of the parentheses. That I know, that's probably throwing you off a little bit, okay? So once I add that 2 plus 3, that's just a multiplication. So now I'm gonna do 100 divided by 4 because now I've just got division and multiplication. I go left to right. 100 divided by 4 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. That's mathed up.